Hey, it's Kyle from HubSpot Academy. I'm going to give you 10 inbound sales tips in 1 minute. Ready? Go. First, the most important thing to know is who your target buyer is. Everything you do should reflect your understanding of them. Second, your sales process should be like a water slide. When people get to the end of it, they should want to go on it again and tell their friends to do the same. Third, there are lots of people you can sell to. Find the people you can be a hero to. Fourth, as a salesperson, you're the world's leading expert on questions other people have about your product. Post answers to the most common questions on your website. Fifth, if you're in sales, you're in customer service. You set the tone for a person's entire relationship with your company. Sixth, try sending personalized videos to individual prospects. Use Loom, Vidyard, or Soapbox and see what results you get. Seventh, we all know that the internet empowers buyers, but it empowers sellers too. Find ways to use technology to your advantage. Eighth, making someone hate you is worse than selling nothing at all. Ninth, people don't like talking about their pain points. Ask them about their goals and the challenges that are holding them back. 10th, sales has always been about helping companies grow. Inbound sales is about helping your company grow better. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. If there are other topics you'd like to see us address, leave some comments down below. And thanks for watching.